Hey, Patty. He looks mad. Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special guest. This is my cat Jinx right here. As you guys could see, I have this weird thing in the corner of my eye. Today is another week of the NFL teams. I'm doing the Miami Dolphins. Sorry, don't mind him. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification, hit that notification, hit that notification. I can't speak today, apparently. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to see more of the stuff that I would do on a weekly. I drop 2 videos a week. One, I have a series of the NFL teams going on till the games are completely over. And then the other ones are more for like challenges or different things I want to review or whatever is going on during that week. I'm usually very active on social media and see what's trending and try to present that in my videos for you guys. With that being said, please continue to watch. Hi, Jinx. Say hi. Hey, buddy. Okay, you're free to go. Okay, so today is going to be a very fun one. I'm doing the Dolphins today. For all you Dolphin fans out there, you guys suck. I'm just kidding. I don't know much about football. Today is, I believe, week 5 of the NFL games going on. I wanted to do something a little creative today because I know the Dolphin colors are more like a teal, green, and orange. I'm going to be working with those colors today, but I am going to be doing something again out of my comfort zone to see if I can do it. I am going to be doing like a dolphin fin like right out here and then see how it turns out. So let's get started. Okay, I got 3 different palettes I'm working with today. Jaclyn Hill palette, old school Morphe, it's the Morphe 35D, and the Lemonade palette from Dominique. I already set my eyes, as you guys could see. I already got my face done just for the sake of saving time. I will put everything that I used on my face in the description box. So we're just gonna get started with the eyes. I was trying to find like a good green teal color. I couldn't find really much. I'm gonna be working with some different tones of green. Try a couple of these right here, as you guys can see them. So these are like more on the green side, and then work with some teals and stuff. All right, let's go ahead and do this. If I sound a little tired, I am. It's because I got food coma. I went to this place called Master Kim's. It's a Korean barbecue place. Of course, it's all you can eat, and I overate, and it was freaking delicious though. If you guys are in Vegas, please give that place a try. It was amazing. It's not sponsored, I promise. It was just really, really good. I'm just gonna set my eyes again with just a different nude color. I'm gonna pop into the Dominique palette, Nude Tea. Just pop that over the lid just to make sure nothing moves around, all the colors stay in place. If you guys want to see my tutorial on this palette, I'll put it somewhere around here at the end of the video. I followed her tutorial on her reveal of her palette. It actually was a lot of fun, so if you guys want to check it out, go ahead and give it a try. My boyfriend's laughing in the background. I don't know what he's laughing at. So this palette actually does have the orange that I'm gonna be working with today, and I'm probably gonna make it a little bit brighter, mixing these 2 colors just to get the actual orange for the Dolphins. So I'm gonna use that as a transition color. Then I'm gonna work with some greens and teals at the edge here, and then make that dolphin fin all the way at the end. I'm gonna pop into mango and sweet tea, blend those 2 together, and then pop that into a transition lid. No, sorry. My grammar is so bad. I'm gonna pop that in as my transition color. That's what I meant. As you guys can see, this palette is very pigmented. Bravo. Okay, so that's a good, nice orange color that I like. Ooh, that's very orange. Okay, this food coma is really bad. I have a food baby right now. I didn't realize that she had a cucumber color, and I'll be working with that too. Let's see how good that looks. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna base some teal, and then I'm gonna add some green shimmers on top and see how it turns out. Okay, so now we got our really high definition transition color going on here. I'm gonna blend it out a little bit later, but I want to base all my colors first, and then I'll kind of flick everything out. So moving on to the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. So to set the teal color, I'm gonna use this tapered brush right here. And then I'm gonna go with this teal color and set that as my base, as I said. I actually went to Miami, I think it was like 2 years ago. I went to Miami Beach and all that stuff. I had a really fun time over there. And luckily enough, the weather was actually amazing. There was no humidity the few days that I was there. So I got to enjoy the beach, the weather, the scenery, like even like the club life over there without having to break a sweat or or my hair going all crazy, because you guys could see my hair is naturally curly, and the minute humidity reaches it, it goes into a freaking afro. So I got lucky. But Miami, I would love to visit it again, hopefully soon. But I had a really good time there. Okay, so now I'm gonna use a clean blending brush and just kind of blend those two colors together. I'm gonna dip it a little bit into that teal color and just to help blend it out. Okay, looks a little blended out for now. I will be going back in and fixing it a little later, but let's move on to the next eye for now. I will say this about this color. It does take some time to work with it because you have to be patient with these very bright mattified colors. It's because they take time to base and then you have to kind of blend it out. So give it time, just trust the process and blend it out, and then it'll turn out as how you want it to. Because if you just rush it, it's gonna be all patchy and it's just all bad. So when you work with bright colors or even like mattified dark colors, I guess you could say, you just gotta be patient with it. So as you could see, like I have some white spots here. Doesn't matter if I already went over it once, but you have to go over it like a couple times before it actually attaches to the color that you want, or attaches to the lid, I'm sorry. Back at it again with that blending brush. So I'll blend those two colors together. So I'm gonna be using these two transition colors really quick, just so I can blend those two together as well with the teal. Hopefully you guys could follow these tutorials and let me know what you guys could create, because these NFL teams are actually pretty fun to do. So you could become creative and do what you want with these colors. You could even like put the whole logo on your lid if you want to. Let me know what you guys come up with, if you guys come up with anything in the comments section. Okay, so now that we got the bases down, let's go ahead and work with some shimmers to make these colors look a little better, because it looks really crazy right now. All right, Morphe 35D. So I think I want to start with, I'm gonna blend these two together right here and see how it looks like with the teal on the base. Okay, it's still looking a little bit teal, so I think I'm gonna add the cucumber color on top, but the shimmers are bringing them a little better together. Okay, let me blend it really quick and see how it turns out. Brush overboard. I make myself laugh. I know I'm cheesy, I'm sorry. If you don't like my jokes, it's okay, keep watching. I think just to define this orange a little bit, I'm gonna go with, or pop into chai tea right here just to define that orange, because it looks a little too funky for me and it's not really blending too well. Use my Morphe blending brush. I'm sorry, not Morphe, this is a Sephora blending brush. So pop into that chai tea. I'm not gonna add too much, just to get some definition into this look. I think I'm gonna go right under that orange and blend the teal and orange together with that chai tea. Okay, now it looks a little more adult-like. Oh, excuse me. Food coma, I'm sorry. I have a very weird personality. If you don't like it, I'm sorry. It's okay. Sweet tea. Okay, now we're gonna add color cucumber right here. I'm very excited to use this color because I have not tried it yet. So let's go ahead and give that a whirl. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. Let's add that onto the lid. Okay, yes, there we go. I'm not gonna go too high. I'm gonna keep it pretty low, like right here. So I can keep those transition colors. Pop it on the lid. Well, and it follows my theme that I like stuff as sparkly as possible. If you guys follow my channel, you guys would know I like stuff that are pretty highlighted in the face. I like sparkles on the eyes, all this and that. So I just like it. I like sparkle in my life. Okay, clean blending brush, just blend those colors together. So make sure there's no harsh lines. Okay, so before I attempt to do the dolphin fin at the end, I'm gonna pop some color in my waterline. And to do that, get my this kind of brush. I don't even know what it's called, I forgot. I'm gonna pop into chai tea and sweet tea, and I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. So I'm kind of going back and forth with the sweet tea and chai tea just so I could create some depth in my eye, because I feel like it look a little too bright. The nice thing about these teals, it does bring out like the hazel color in my eyes. When if you guys follow me on Instagram, picture that I posted the other day, my face was in the direct sunlight and I had like these purples and reds in my eyeshadows, and it brought like the green and brown in my eyes. So it was pretty cool, because typically you just see brown. Let me blend that out really quick so it don't look so harsh. I'm gonna pop in the chai tea a little bit more and just add some more definition here in the crease. I could see why the chai tea is Kristen Dominique's favorite color in this palette, because it has so much different levels of definition that you could play with. You could even have it as like your whole lid color, a transition color, lower lash line. It's everything. You could do so much with this. I love it. Okay, so before I attempt to do the dolphin fin, I'm gonna clean up this look with some highlighter on the inner corners and my brow bone. So to do that, I think I'm gonna try lemon soda, because blue and yellow make what? Green. That was very bad. I'm sorry. That was very bad. Okay, that has a nice pop in your face right now. Then for the brow bone, I'm not gonna go too much yellow. I'm just gonna keep it simple with some white shimmers, which are these two right here. My typical go-to highlighter colors. I even use them for a highlight sometimes. Okay, I'm guessing eyeshadows are done. So for the dolphin fin, I'm using a very deadly weapon. I got an eyeliner, a black eyeliner I'm gonna be using today. This is from Tarte. It is the Fierce Flicks in the color black, obviously. Because I don't have much of another color. I have a yellow, but I don't want to use that today for the eyeliner. Well, I'm sorry, I didn't mean the fin, I meant the tail. That was very bad. Okay, so I attempted to draw it on my hand first. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. I tried 2 different kinds. This one turned out a little better. So I'm gonna attempt that to do it right here at the edge of my eye. Somewhat. Does it look okay? Not too bad. I think I'm gonna just fix it with some shadows really quick and see how that turns out. I'm only gonna do on one eye. I'm not gonna do on both of my eyes, just so it could have something a little edgy. So I'm going into my Morphe palette with Jaclyn Hill. I'm gonna pop into that black right there and just kind of line it up. We got a dolphin tail. What do you guys think? Does it work? Does it look good? I did something. So something that represents the Miami Dolphins. There you guys go. Last but not least, put on some lipstick. Lipstick or lip gloss? Let's see what I got. This will be okay. I'm not gonna add too much because this is a very deep color. And I'm gonna top it off with this liquid lipstick. All right, so as you guys can tell, it's a little too dark for this look. So I'm gonna top it off with some liquid lip gloss, or some lip gloss. It's just all bad. All right, let's pop on some mascara and lashes. Big Shot Colossal, Maybelline. Last but not least, now is the lashes. I think these should be good. These are the House of Lashes Smoky Muse. Yes, we got lashes, guys. And finish it off with some setting spray. This is from Mario Badescu. It smells amazing too. Alrighty, guys. So this completes the Dolphins look today for the NFL team. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you guys want to see more of my stuff, I will have some videos attached right onto this side, or onto this side, somewhere around the screen over here. Stay tuned for next Sunday for more upcoming NFL teams. As you guys can see, I have a bunch of attempts on my hands, don't mind that. Thank you again for watching. If you guys want to see more of my stuff, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, comment, share, subscribe, everything. Put it all together. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.